Hello friends, how are you all doing today? Hope you all are doing well. Today we are gonna learn two-letter words. As you all know, there are 5 vowel sound: A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Let's learn two-letter words. A and an. A, am. A, as. A, at. A, x. An, am, as, at, x. B, me. H, he. W, we. B, me, he, we. I, if. It. Is. In. If, it, is, in. Off. Ox. On. Or. Off, ox, on, or. Up. Us. Up, us. Let's do more practice. To. Do. But sound of O is changed here. So. It's not so, it's so. So. Go. No. So, go, no. Buy. Buy. My. Buy, my. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.